I'm going to talk about our anti-friction balm for men. It's a lightweight, smooth balm that prevents chafing and blisters. We've got a men's formula and also a women's formula. So in this video, I'll talk about the men's. If you want to have a listen about the women's, please go over to that product page. The reason we did both anti-friction balms was that we got feedback from athletes that other products just didn't go the distance or they felt icky on the skin. So we decided to create a brand new balm from scratch that addressed both those needs. We had a few hero ingredients in both products, in the men's and also the women's. There's no pet jelly, there's no petroleum, so it's wetsuit and also clothing safe. We use a unique blend of triglycerides and waxes to provide a protective sheen. So rather than it being like an on the top of the skin experience, like a nappy rash cream or Vaseline, this balm I should say, kind of sinks into the skin a little bit more, provides a sheen, a protective sheen to the skin, and it feels very natural and not so icky. Both men's and women's have got aloe vera and also tea tree oil in there. We've got some additional ingredients in the men's though, a couple to help with the bacterial component. So we've got bergamot and also mandarin. And then for skin healing, repair and soothing, we've included soybean and also vitamin E. We've got a really unique packaging applicator here. So the actual tip of it is like a giant lip balm. So if you like, you can apply this like a lip balm to hotspot areas and areas that get chafing. So, or if you want to, a lot of people just prefer to actually put it on their finger and rub it to the areas that need it. The hotspot areas for most people with chafing are the toes, the heels, between the thighs, the groin, and with wetsuits like the back of the neck and the back of the arms. And then also a lot of people can get problems with chest or equipment straps, etc. So there's a lot of places on the body that can get affected by chafing. We get a couple of questions often about these products, and the first one is what's the difference between your anti-friction balm and also your chamois creams? So the balms are thicker, they do have beeswax in there. They're a touch more heavy duty than the chamois creams, and they're very hot spot specific. So all those areas I mentioned before, a little bit better to use the balm than the chamois cream, but plenty of people can use the chamois cream for anti-chafing problems if they like. The second question we get, and it's a bit of a problem with some of the other brands on the market, is does it leak? And the short answer is no, it doesn't leak. We've got a very unique design for the packaging. You can do it up really tight. So if the product is sitting in the back of the car on a hot day, you can rest assured that it's not going to leak into your bag.